This is Nigam Prakash. I'm here to explain my project about digital music dataset using SQL. So here you can see my code for my digital music store, which was my project, and here I have taken the three tables: albums, artist, and songs. So coming to the albums table, I have taken the artist ID as a primary key. And coming to the albums table, here you can see that foreign key artist ID. So here comes the artist ID again. So if you ask me why the artist ID. Here I have inserted the values for those tables for all the three tables. This is the data set. And coming to the joining these three tables, so let me show you the reverse engineering. How it will be look like whether it's joined or else it's not joined. So here comes the query that I want to show you the structure of the three tables. So here I am selecting the digital music store because it's my project. Next and execute. Finish. So here you can see the structure of where the songs table is connected to the albums and the albums connected to the artist. So here I have used the left join so that it showed all the records from the left table. So let me take left join here too, so that it will be clear for you. So here you can see the artist name, album name, and song name. So for the album name, Aberu, artist name was John Lennon, and the song name was Come to It. So here you can see the link between all three tables. And thank you for this opportunity to explain.